So what do you do when the credit bureaus fail to remove inaccurate information off of your credit report or your customer's credit report? What do you do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do when they fail to follow the law and how you need to bring in the big guns to get the job done. Coming up. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you a step-by-step training system on how to start and run your own credit repair business. And I want to give this training to you for absolutely free. And all you have to do right now is click the link right below this video. And I want to give you all of this training right here on how to start and run a successful credit repair business and be your own boss. So here's the process when disputing inaccurate information. The first thing you do is you send a letter to the credit bureau, right? And then you wait 30 days and then it comes back verified. The second step is that now you send it to the collection agency or the creditor and you dispute it with the creditor or the collector. And both of them states it's verified. So then what is the last step? The last step would be to bring in the big guns. Now, this is what happens when you get frustrated after dealing with the credit bureaus for rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you even try direct disputes with the collector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the item is still not removed. Then you go after the creditor. You try rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the item is still not removed. So now what do you do now? What do you do now when the collector or the creditor or the credit bureau fail to remove the inaccurate information off of your credit report? Well, I can tell you what to do. It's time to bring in the big guns. Now, what is the big guns, or who is the big guns? The big guns are attorneys. That's right. They are consumer rights attorneys that specialize in suing debt collectors and that specialize in suing credit bureaus and creditors for violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act or the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Now, I'm going to show you a resource where you can find attorneys for your specific state, okay? Because a lot of people have complained that it's hard to get in touch with attorneys. They don't know where to find these attorneys. So I'm going to show you exactly where to go step by step and how to reach out to these attorneys with your particular situation. All right, so let's find an attorney for you that can help you sue the credit bureaus or the collectors if they are violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act or any laws, any of your rights, right? So we want to go to this website here. It's the consumeradvocates.org, consumeradvocate.org. And you can click right here where it says for consumers. You can look for the area of law that you want to contact an attorney for. You can go for bankruptcy, you can go for credit reporting, you can go for debt collection right here. You can also go find an attorney. Let's click on that. And you can search by like any state. Let's just say Arizona. And you can put your address in here, right here, 25 miles away from the address, any area of practice, or you can, you can go down here and just, put the area of practice that you want, right? Which will be, consumer reporting or debt collections. You can even search here. Let's just put a consumer rights attorney. Let's search. Okay, so we don't got anything there. Any state, any practice. Let's put debt collection attorney, or we can put credit repair. Oh, there we go. Consumer litigation. Well, let's just put credit reports. Okay, consumer litigation. Let's try credit bureaus. All right, so all of these are consumer litigation attorneys, as you can see right here. Consumer litigation, consumer law group. Okay, let's try debt collectors. You see that? So all of these attorneys, they specialize. Let's click on one of them. Let's see what's going on here. This one, Tampa, Florida. Let's see what he specializes in. Okay, so he specializes in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, credit cards, credit reporting, debt collection. So you can simply, debt collections, you can simply just contact that attorney by clicking here, filling in your information, submit as much information you can regarding your case, and click send, right? So you can go right here for consumers. You can go directly here to credit reporting. Tells you a little bit about what these attorneys do. Okay, credit reporting. And we're going to do credit reporting. Let's go search. And as you can see right there, you can filter it down to the state that you live in. And you can just reach out to the different attorneys. Let's see what we have for Florida, because that's where I live. Okay, there you go. Right? So look at this. These are the attorneys that you can reach out to. Let's see what she does. She does debt collection, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay, so you can reach out to any of these attorneys by simply contact me, fill in your information, submit your case to them, or submit your case on behalf of your customers. Okay, so this is one resource that you can use to help you or your customer get justice if you feel like the credit bureaus have violated your rights or your customer rights. Don't forget to claim your free step-by-step training on how to start and run your very own credit repair business. I want to give you this free email training course right here, a 30-day course showing you step-by-step on how to start and run your own successful credit repair business. Start your own business, be your own boss, take the skills that you currently have. You fix your own credit. Why not be your own boss? Why not use this your skills to earn an extra stream of income? Go ahead and click the link right below to get started with my free training.